Greetings, I'm making these videos based on requests. You can see it from here. Amazon KDP OTP not received. Please make a video on that. Thank you. So we are going to rush this video. Do not plan on making video, and pardon any change in voice or any obstruction. I'm not really good at, sorry, I'm not in a good health condition, but I had to do this video. So to do this, what we are going to need is we need a Amazon shopping app from Play Store, and then we need this thing, Google Authenticator. So what we are going to do is that instead of using our mobile number, which is the issue is that the Nigerian phone number can no longer, I don't know if it happens to other countries, but majorly Nigerian phone number cannot receive OTP. So we are going to use Google Authenticator as means of verification. With Google Authentication, we'll be receiving codes that we can use for the verification. Is legal. So let's dive in. But before I forget, I wish you all happy new year and a fruitful one indeed. For all subscribers, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. New subscribers, you're also welcome. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, but here we are actually family, and we share ideas and tips on how to make money online, how to create there's a good some tax online using your mobile phone. And if you find this video helpful or valuable, don't hesitate to smash the like button. Feel free to drop your view and comments in the comment section. Ask questions and I'll definitely get back to that. All right, so like I said, Amazon allows a particular thing. Like when you create, Amazon has a different section and different business. So under the Amazon, there's KDP, there's Amazon Prime, there's FBA, 𝐬𝐸𝐴, and other major section of that business. So once you create an account in a particular section, it automatically records it in all section, which means you can just log in. So what we are going to do now is to create an account. We are going to do it practical, is to create an account on this thing, the Amazon shopping app, and then go to the settings, edit the verification method to be a Google Authenticator, so that we won't have issue. Because why, if you go direct to KDP trying to create accounts for KDP, you will not, the means of verification option there is only mobile phone, you understand? But with Amazon shopping app, we'll have option of email, which we can receive a code on email and then change the verification to two-step verification to be Google Authenticator. So let me stop yapping and then go direct into the practical. So this is actually for people who want to create a new KDP account, or even if you want to create another different account in case you had your account terminated. Remember, it's more like creating an account for somebody that you are going to use. So our advice, use a different details, different SIM and different API, something like that, like a new phone or a flash phone, something. So you just dive in. Let's dive in. No need to waste time. Go to Play Store. Yeah, Play Store. Where are you? Okay, you go on Play Store. Actually, I've downloaded most of them. Just search for Google Authenticator or Authenticator app Google, anyhow you type it. So you may not really see it as this. It may have a different icon, but just know it's Google LLC. That's the Authenticator app we're talking about. And then you search for Amazon shopping app. That's it here. So we are going to, I'll be using, at this point I'm going to be using another phone. I tried this doing this record, and I noticed that Amazon shopping app does not allow screen record while creating accounts because of privacy of data. So I'm just going to use that phone and video it. Okay, yeah, here just tap on Amazon shopping app. So they don't allow screen record because of privacy. But on the normal, if you tap on it, this is where it's going to lead you. This is the initial place is going to lead you. So you're trying to create a new account, new to Amazon.com. So tap on create account, and then you fill in your this thing. Forget, don't use number. Fill in your first name and last name. Then use your email. Add your email. Then create a strong password, and then tap on continue. It's going to lead you to where. Yeah, it's going to lead you to where you're going to be for verification, a place requesting for verification. So what you're going to do is you just go to your email. Yeah, go to your email. You're going to see a message like this one. You open it, then copy this thing, the code, paste it, and then you verify it. Once you verify it, the next step will be to log in. All right, once you are in here now, this is the next thing we're going to do. You see this downside, this icon that looks like a profile down here. You just tap on it. You tap on it, then you come here to login and security. You understand? You tap on login and security. That's where we are going to change. All right, we are going to change our two-step. Look at it, two-step verification. You turn it on, and use authenticator app instead here. So now we are going to do something. Now we are going to now go to the authenticator app and then connect it. So what we are going to do now is to copy this code. You copy this code here, copy it, and then go to Google Authenticator. At this moment, I think I'm going to be videoing this with another phone because you can't screen record on Google Authenticator for privacy sake, information privacy sake. I'll just have to do video for it using my other phone and then continue. I really hope this is clear. So let's just where's the Google Authenticator, sir? Okay, look at it here. You go there, click on allow, then click on get started. Yeah, continue with your email. So click on add code. So you come here, use a setup key. You're not scanning, use a setup key. Name your account. You can just name it Amazon. And then you paste that code. We copied here. Paste it here. Then time base. Leave it at time base. Click on add. So it's automatically been added. You see this code? It changes every, I don't know how many seconds, but once this blue stuff turns around, the code changes, and this code is going to be your verification code. So while you're now creating your KDP account, if they demand for verification code, you come to this Google Authenticator and copy the code there, and also try to be fast. You understand? So this is how to bypass the code. This is really how to bypass the code, and that's exactly how to bypass the code. And okay, let's just quickly try it. Go to KDP go to kdp.amazon.com. So here, this one, click on it. Use desktop site if you're on mobile phone. Let's say sign in. All right, let's sign in. I'm not going, like I said, I did not plan doing this video. I'm not going to do the account setup, but just to tell you that once you have created an account there, you can easily log in on your KDP, on any Amazon platform. So What we're going to do now is enter our email here, and then while logging in, there's definitely going to demand for OTP. Here, agree on the terms, and you are in. You're already in. It's now to finish complete account information, which I'm not going to do now. If they demand any OTP, you just go to the Google Authenticator and you are done. If you found value from this video, don't forget to give it a like, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if it was helpful, and share it as well to people who did this. See you on the next video.